Here was my thesis: gingerbread deserves better real estate. Why shouldn't it have clean lines, an infinity pool, a succulent garden? Why be from a fairy tale when you could be from a very tiny, very sweet architectural digest spread? This project had one rule: no rules, just vibes, and a shocking amount of blue jelly. Now you need a solid foundation for any radical redesign. So big, crumbly shout out to Sally's baking addiction for her legendary, structurally sound gingerbread recipe. This dough is the bedrock, the employee of the month. It had no idea it was about to become a minimalist hillside villa. We're doing flat roofs. We're doing open concept living. Don't be scared. The centerpiece, the jelly infinity pool. Because what's a California home without a water feature? Making edible architecture out of wobbly, nervous gelatin is a special kind of chaos. It's like convincing a kitten to sit still for a portrait. Landscaping, a drought-tolerant chocolate succulent garden, the only kind of plant I can't kill, very on theme. And then, the magic, when the vibes become reality, the clean lines, the shimmering pool, that moment when your completely unnecessary daydream just sits there, being beautiful and slightly ridiculous. Look at it. It's not a cottage. It's a statement. It probably has a name. The Crisp Canyon. It definitely pays HOA fees. Was it perfect? Nope. That wall has character. But was it a blast to drag gingerbread into the 21st century? Absolutely. So here's my question for you. Should I refine this? More details? A better pool? A tiny edible Tesla? If you want to see me perfect, the modern gingerbread mansion, smash that like button and subscribe. Your likes are my blueprint for the next one. And tell me in the comments, what does the modern gingerbread person do for fun? Hot tub parties, sunset yoga, help me write their lifestyle. All credit to Sally's baking addiction for the rock-solid recipe that survived my architectural experiments. Link below. Remember, likes plus subscribes equals a bigger, better, and even more modern cookie mansion. Let's build the future. One gingerbread wall at a time.